Planning to visit Baguio? I'm going to something on your bucket list. Punta lang kayo dito sa Bamboo Sanctuary dito sa St. Francis, Pacdal, Baguio City. O, diba? Pwede kang rumampa dito kasi you're free. Marami naman kasing places na pwede mong gawin yun, pagrampahan. Kasi ba, yung mga OOTD, mga Japanese inspired or siguro China din. Kasi Chinese bamboo, I think ito eh. I'm not really sure. And they said na they have 21 varieties of bamboos here. O, diba? I can see but I cannot tell the difference. I can just tell the different colors. Punta lang kayo dito sa Session Road. And lagpasan niyo yung Prime Hotel. I don't know na Prime Hotel pala to. Akala ko hindi noon. Ibang hotel yung naalala ko dun. So, dahil lang kayo dito sa Prime Hotel, dire-diretso lang hanggang sa pinakadulo ng mundo. Ay, hindi. Pinakadulo ng building. Say hi to auntie if you will pass through. And of course, di ba malapit? Malayo pala. So, yung fare naman dito is mura lang. Especially for DIY, 15 pesos per head. Per head yun Punta lang kayo dito sa Pacdal Terminal. So, kung hindi naman yung mahanap, parang kami, hindi namin nahanap to masyado. Nagtanong lang, you can ask the drivers. Mababait naman yung mga driver dyan. And dadalhin ka kung saan ka patungo. Char! So, here, open sila from Fridays, Saturdays and Sundays and holidays. Nakita kasi namin na I think they have classes here. So open siya 7:30 AM or 30 PM. After rin kami punta dito And this is the entrance or where you can write your name at saka ilang tao yung pupunta. And of course your donation kasi wala silang entrance fee. And for the umbrella, you can pay for 20 pesos. And, di ba, nag-interview kami? They started this since 1990. Nag-start daw ng mga, some priests started this bamboo sanctuary in 1990s. Then, they opened since 2020. O, di ba? They are still planting more and more. Since may mga part pa dito na hindi pa siya natataniman ng mga bamboo. So, looking forward after a few years. Kasi sabi ni ate, 2 years daw lumalaki yung mga bamboo. So, after 2 years siguro, baka naman pwedeng makabalik dito, di ba? And, hopefully donation pa rin. Charot! Of course, pwede rin namang may entrance fee for the upgraded ba. Yun lang!